Welcome back, welcome back, guys. Welcome to Rise and Shine. So, up to this session, we have seen many things about Java. That is, what is Java? Feature of Java. Java is simple. Java is object-oriented, distributed, dynamic, multi-threaded, portable, architecture neutral. So many things. Today, we are going to see more about Java programming, such as the environment setup for Java applications or installation of JDK and some environment setup things. So let us start. To install Java, simply go to your favorite browser, any favorite browser. My favorite is Google Chrome, and here in search bar, simply type here download JDK. Download JDK. And very first site is www.oracle.com. So though Java is developed by Sun Microsystem, when this video is recorded, it is a proprietary of Oracle Corporation. Sun Microsystem is taken over by this Oracle Corporation. So simply click on this first link. So such a page will be displayed in your browser. So there is Java SE 14 or Java SE 14.0.2, the latest release for Java SE platform. So you can download Java JDK for Java 14 from this link. On this page, other older versions are there, such as Java SE 11 LTS long-term support, or any stable version you can also download, such as Java SE 8 and update number 261. This U means update number. I'm taking the latest version. I'm going with latest version. Simply click on JDK download, and one downloader or installer is start downloading on your machine. I already downloaded it, so I will stop it. Or after going here, there are different operating system JDKs are there. You simply click on JDK 14.0.2 Windows x64 bin.exe, which is the downloader or installer for 64-bit Windows operating system. Click on it. It will ask you for some license agreement. Tick the checkbox and download. Click on download. So when download is started, so already one installer is there, so I'm discarding it. If it get downloaded, go to the download folder of your local file system. Simply double click on it. It will start downloading. Sorry, it will start installing JDK on your machine. So it is start installing. So it will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. So it is gathering the required information. This wizard will guide us throughout the installation of JDK. Simply click on next. This is the default path where Java is installed. C: program file JDK or Java, and within that one more folder JDK 14.0.2. Click on next and it will start installing the JDK on our machine. It will take some time depending upon configuration of our machine. So in this way, Java development kit successfully installed on our machine. It will ask you, click the next step for further information about Java. Simply close this wizard, close your file browser, close your web browser also. So now JDK is installed on our machine, but how to check whether it is installed or not? So simply go to the path where Java is installed, C:, program files, and see here one Java folder is. Double click on it, JDK 14.0.2, one more folder. Click on it. There are again so many folders. Go to this bin folder. Within this bin folder, you will find so many DLL and executables. So that DLL and executables are nothing but the tools we are going to use or we will use for Java application development. For example, here Java C, which is a Java compiler. One more is there, just Java, which is called as Java interpreter. So this is the how Java is installed. So up to bin, copy this path, and now check Java is installed properly on your machine or not. CMD, type CMD. So command prompt is open. Click on that CMD, one command prompt is open, and click here Java dash version. One message is there in command prompt, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Means Java is not working. Though we have installed, we have seen folder also. So to make this Java workable or usable, or how to use this Java which is installed on your machine. So go to up to bin, copy this whole path, C:, again I am showing you. This path is C:, program files, Java JDK dash 14.0.2 /bin. Copy this whole path, copy. Then go to this window, start symbol, go to settings. So setting is open and type here just AFVI. So two options are there. Choose second one, edit system variables. One window is open, system properties, advanced tab. Go to environment variables button. And here go to system variables. Don't go to user variables, system variables. And search for path. Here it is path. It get highlighted. Click on edit button. Click on, then new window is open, edit environment variable. Click on new. One new row is inserted and simply paste our path here. Control V. See here, C:, program file Java JDK 14.0.2 bin. And simply click here OK. then again OK, and again you have to set one more variable here, one more environment variable. Again click on environment variable. Now instead of path, click on new. So again it will ask you the variable name. Give variable name in capital JAVA underscore HOME Java home, and variable value again control V, and now delete this bin. Now variable value is C colon program file JDK dash 14.0.2. You can from here also take the path, but already path is in our cache memory. Control C, Control V, and make here. You paste that path and delete the bin word, and again see OK. See here Java path is new environment variable. Click OK. Again click OK. Close this setting window. Close this old command prompt also, and again open a fresh new command prompt, and now type here Java version. Now see, command is run successfully. Java version 14.0.2 2020-07-14 JVM runtime environment, and Java hotspot is also installed. That is this JDK is with hotspot facility JIT compiler. We already seen what is JIT in last session. Also you can here run one more command Java C and enter. So all the options with that Java C command, here it is displayed. Java C with where possible option include, all the possible option include. This is the general syntax Java C options. These are the options, and source file means and whatever our source file or java.file. .java file we are submitting to this Java compiler through this command. So Java is successfully installed on our machine. So this is all about Java installation and environment variable setup. In next session, we will see how to run our first program, that is Hello World program in Java. So guys, if you find this session is useful, kindly do like, share and subscribe this video, forward it to your friend, suggest it to your friend. So till time, keep watching, keep learning.